Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope all of you in good condition. Lebaran dan semua dalam keadaan sehat walafiat hari ini dan untuk seterusnya. Yang pertama tentang definition atau definisi dari report text. Yang kedua tentang generic structure of report text. Yang ketiga tentang social function of report text. Yang keempat tentang recipe and manual. Yeah, the first one is the definition of procedure text. Procedure text is a kind of text that shows how to do or make something step by step. It's the function of procedure text atau fungsi dari text procedure. The functions are how to make people know to do something properly for the best result and avoid an accident or damage. The third one is the generic structure of procedure text. Ya, di bagiannya ada yang pertama the goal atau tujuan yang biasanya ada pada judul dari sebuah report text. The second one, tools or equipment atau peralatan, perlengkapan yang dibutuhkan. The third is material ingredient. Material atau ingredient adalah atau bahan yang dibutuhkan dalam kita membuat sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu. The four steps. This is the most important. Step adalah langkah-langkah yang diperlukan untuk melakukan sesuatu. The next topic is about recipe and manual. Recipe is a set of instruction for preparing. Manual is a book of instruction, especially for operating a machine or learning a subject. This is the sample how to make fried rice. It's kind of food. Yeah, fried rice is kind of food. How to make fried rice? Equipment: frying pan, stove, spoon, spatula, plate. Ingredient: 1 plate of cooked rice, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 medium onions chopped, 1 clove of garlic chopped, chili powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Nah, itu adalah alat dan bahan yang dibutuhkan on how to make fried rice atau membuat nasi goreng. Yeah, the step. First, heat a medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil. After it heated enough, add the garlic, onion, and chili. Stir fry the ingredients until it's tender. Add the eggs and scramble it until half cooked. Pour the cooked rice, then keep stir for a minute. Next, the seasoning such as sauce, pepper, and salt, and mix them all with the rice. After it will cook, take the fried rice and serve on a plate. Yeah, and then how to make a cup of coffee. This is kind of drink. Yeah. How to make a cup of coffee. Coffee is a drink. And the ingredients on how to make a coffee is a tablespoon of grounded coffee, some sugar, a cup of water. The tools: stove, a cup, milk pot, and a tablespoon. The step: firstly, boil some water in pan with medium heat and wait until it's boiling. Secondly, prepare a cup. Next, put a tablespoon of coffee into the cup. After that, add some sugar to taste into the cup. After the water is boiling, pour the water into the cup. Then mix them by stirring. Finally, the cup or hot coffee is ready to serve. And how to operate. It means that how to operate something. In this example, you can see that how to operate washing machine. Yeah. To operate washing machine, we need a manual to operate. Yeah. The materials: a unit of washing machine, detergent, and water. Step: first, separate the colored clothes from others, then put them in the washing machine. Turn the machine on, set it to the wash selection, and pour the detergent powder in. Next, wait for the tap to fill water. So the process of washing was finished. Let the clothes drain through the drain host. After that, see the next timer again. How to operate washing machine. Step: first, separate the color clothes from others, then put them in the washing machine. Turn the machine on, set it to the wash selection, and pour the detergent powder in. Next, wait for the tub to fill with water. After the process of washing has finished, let the clothes drain through the drain hose. So that's set it up on the wash timer again. This is time to rinse for 3 minutes. Do this. So we already discussed today on our lesson about report text. We already discussed about the definition of report text, the general structure of report text, the social function of report text, and an example of report text. Keep healthy, keep steady, do the testing, and always be positive. I think that it's for today. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.